Hi everyone, so today I'm going to make a very nutritious recipe. It is called roasted and spiced foxnuts or lotus seeds, popularly known as makhanas in India. These are consumed during fasting especially, and because they have a huge strong nutritional value, they are a very popular diet food for Weight Watchers and for those who just want to snack healthy. Makhanas are low in cholesterol, sodium and saturated fats and are good for the heart and a great source of magnesium and potassium. So this makes them a perfect healthy snacks. Let's look at this recipe, which will just take about 10 minutes to make. For the ingredients, I have some lotus seeds, or also called foxnuts or makhanas. There is some black salt, which is about 1 teaspoon. I have half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of dry mango powder, and about 3/4 of a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. You could also use your spices of choice that you like. I have about 3 to 4 teaspoons of clarified butter or desi ghee. You could replace this with regular butter or olive oil. Take a pan, start to heat it, and add half of this ghee into this pan. Once this ghee is slightly heated, I'm going to go ahead and add all the makhanas or foxnuts into this pan. And now the trick is to continue mixing this so that it is roasted on a medium flame. Ensure the flame is not too high. And this process will take about 6 to 7 minutes because you will need them slightly golden brown and at the same time crunchy. So mixing is the key. This is being roasted for almost 7 to 8 minutes now on a low flame. And how you want to make sure that it is ready for the masalas is you take one of these foxnuts or makhanas and try to break it. So if it breaks up perfectly, crunch like this, that means it is ready and it is well roasted. At this point, again, I have the flame at a low, and I will take all these masalas and just sprinkle them evenly around on these makhanas. Once it is done, give it a good mix. Ensure you mix until these masalas are well coated on the foxnuts or the makhanas. And then I have a quick trick if you see that these masalas are still not getting coated well. But first you have to keep stirring and mixing them for about a minute or so. You can see that there is some masalas which are still stuck below. So I will now just add the remaining ghee, butter or olive oil, whatever you choose to use, and just put it around and now try to mix. This will help the masalas to stick on the makhanas better. At this point, I have turned off the heat as well because you don't want the masalas to burn. Just continue mixing and try to get these coated well. Now the coat has come in pretty well. That's the trick. Adding a little bit oil or ghee. And now this is done, I'm going to allow this to cool for about 15 minutes. Our full makhanas or foxnut is ready. It is yummy, crunchy and full of the spices that we need. Try them instead of your popcorn with movies and tell me how you like it. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. If you like my recipes, leave a comment and I will come back with more. Thank you.